Okay, Bridgeport Series 1, vertical milling machine with the Prototrak control. Mill serial number is 12BR171492. Can you pull that rubber cover away so we can look at the rays? All of them.
On Y? Well, here's Y up here if you want to.
Let's take a peek at that.
Yeah, got some oil come up with this. Sure.
They look good.
Yeah. Okay. Haven't been in here much, and I don't know, I can't much get the table.
Yeah, I'm not
gonna. Here. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything to see. You can kind of see a little bit here. This one's pretty stiff, but the ways look pretty clean there.
I didn't even get in there.
Yeah. Yeah. I haven't even pumped it up much. I should have pumped it up some more. So that disconnects over on this side. That we're running at 220 volts for what it's worth, which is just the motor. All this is 110. Down low is the control if you want to just take a peek in there real fast.
I'll do it.
Yeah. And I can just kind of open this up, and that's standard Prototrak control right there, servo drive.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All the cables, and I got the handles and stuff laying down low.
And all these stickers are just they're just marked wires, right?
Oh yeah, this is all me, just to make it simple. I figured the next guy that gets it, just kind of keep it real easy here.
Okay.
So,
right.
And then just to do the jog thing again, I think I can just get in like this. Yeah, jog plus, which is full 100%. I can go X or minus. Y. Try that one. Going the wrong way. Let's go the other way. I can slow that down to 50 and go. Or the other way. Or X. And I think I can just dial in 15 and X. And there's 50, so that's just all jog, so that all works fine. We're gonna do that, and then I'll take, and before we go any farther with that, we can try the spindle real quick, dial that up, not a problem. That's clockwise in high range. Going full up here, that's down, down, down. 5-600, mid-range. 75%, full up, not bad. I think we got the feed, yeah, feed works. It's this, I can just kick it out by hand. That's all fine. And then low speed. I don't know, let me try low, yeah, let's see what we get here. Low, and low. Can't hardly see the spindle. You won't be able to see it on there. Here's low, low. And that's about it on that. And next, so we wanted to do a repeatability check. What I've got here is, I've got a 3D universal, let me get this in here, indicator. So we can, let me take this back up. Get the rod. You know what? It'd be nice if I had a rod. I took it out for the spindle. Here we go. One draw rod, always helps. Throw this in there. Now on this one here, I'm just going to snug it down and tighten up and check both X and Y at the same time because it's a 3D sensor. I'm going to put this in neutral for the spindle, put this back where it was a little bit.
Yeah, I think I'm going to get a glare. Can I stand?
I can
stand this close?
Yeah, no, you can. Yeah, I'm just going to. What I'm going to do is just manually bring it over by this block here. I've got a corner block and just kind of get a feel for what it's able to do. I guess we can bring this back down. And what I'll do is go a few thousandths on X and bump it a few thousandths on Y, and then just program a little incremental movement is all I'm going to do. So if I get this right and don't blow it, let's see if we don't break it. I'm gonna go half the distance here and the other half towards Y. Get it down to about 25 or so. There we go. Put it right about there. Let's keep it right on there. And I'm just gonna set, we shut off jog. I'm gonna set X there and Y there. And I'm gonna do one, which is drill. And to move away, I'm gonna Y minus, X minus. So we're gonna do X minus 2.0 and Y, I set that, and Y minus 2 point, this is I have to watch, otherwise I'll crash it. Oh, I goofed that one up, didn't I? Let's start again. Let me pull it up and see. Let's do it. And do one. Drill, minus 2.0, set, okay, and minus 2.0, set, and start. Now let's see if we're back on again. We're right around 20, I can reset that, so right about there. Now we should do one. And out. All right, that's 2 inches out. And now let's do, stay right there. And X, 2 point, set, Y, 2 point, set, and let's go back in. I'll do it once more. All right, and one more time. Set, minus 2 point, and Y, minus 2 inches, set, start, and we're ready to go back down and minus away, and let's come in plus one more time. 2 point, set, 2 point, set, start, and go. Dead on. Actually, it looks like it's about a width of a 10, so that's pretty good there. The only other thing we were talking about doing is maybe an interpolation thing. We can get this off of here and pop the collet and everything out. I should probably get it in gear. There we go. See if I can pull the next one off, Pete. I don't know. See what happens here. That's up. And take that out. And take this out. And pop this guy in. I'm just going to lay a pen on there the best I can and see how that goes here. So let's get it close. I just got a little piece of paper here. Let me bring this up a little bit. Make life easy. There we go. And I'm going to take a piece of paper, lay it on there. I think I'm pretty close to right about here. Let's see if this all works out. Tape it down. And I got a sheet right here. I'm just going to go right off of this. I'm going to do one. That's all in the book. I'm just copying this right out of the book. So, X begin. 0.45. 7. App set. Y minus 1.3125. App set. X end. Y end. X center, Y minus, Y center minus 1.562, ink set, 1, ABS set, counterclockwise, no, 1, ink set, my feet is going to be 10 per, ink set, tool diameter 0.75, ab set, start, and then we should go to Z now. It should position over here. I'm going to hit go, so you kind of watch here. Then I'm going to drop the quill down and see if we just draw a circle here. I don't know. Let's see. That's about the beginning of our 3-inch circle. And before I hit start, let me see if I can lay down on this thing now. See if we don't break a pen, and just see if we can just kind of go around here and see what we get. So go. And let's do a go. And hopefully we're not going to break it, but it's an idea anyhow. It's about a 3-inch circle. Touch over. At 10 inches per minute we're flying, but I guess if you're doing aluminum you could do this. It's not accurate, but it's close enough to see that the control is doing what it's supposed to do, and actually I think I did this once before. It came out pretty close, right up where the two dots connect, kind of. Yeah, I get a good look at that, at the ending part here. It's dragging a little bit, but, and then if I pick it up, if you stay there, I'll pick up a little bit. There it is. It's right on, you know. Wasn't bad. So that's an arc, just doing an arc, and we did jog, and the backlash on this thing was about 1,000, I think, and I think that's more in the belts than anything else. So the repeatability comes in real nice. Interpolation, running an arc works pretty nice. Spindle's not bad, and that's about it, Pete.
All right, thank you very much.